everybody!
Hello!
We are here with some Follies fan video, and Ted is all up in your mug.
That's right. Check out my grill.
We are excited to have Ted with us in here today, and just to sort of chat with him about what's new with him in the show, and just get like a 1-minute spiel about Mr. Ted Meredith.
It's very, very odd to be in the internet like this. I've never been in this part of the internet.
Do your mime.
Yeah. What's happening? Yeah, so I guess what's going on with me in the show? Is that what we want to talk about?
Or life.
Or life. I'm still looking for that perfect special someone. A girl who likes dinner and lunch and understands my needs. I don't really want to understand hers. That's not what this is about, right? Okay, so I like to it's been kind of my running gag. When I started here, I was playing characters from the Pope to Dick Cheney. Mm-hmm. That was sort of the dichotomy that I was going for. I'll get both hands in the picture. And then it was kind of Bill Clinton and Glenn Beck, and now I'm doing like Gaddafi, which is a little disconcerting that they think I can play Gaddafi. Almost worse than playing Dick Cheney, I think. And I'm also doing a solo number as a swinging, sexy bachelor guy. So, yeah, I've got that going for me.
Nice.
Yeah.
And anything else going on outside of Esther's you want to share
sure.
with the fans?
Yeah, well, I've been doing improv for quite a while now. I'm teaching now with the Institution Theater. You can look up theinstitutiontheater.com. The Esther's Follies has long had a relationship with Tom Booker, who is the founder, artistic director of the Institution Theater, and they're constantly doing shows and expanding with stuff on that. I've also written, directed-ish, co-produced-ish, co-written really, co-created and co-star in a web series that we're about to release the 3rd episode. It's called Freelancers. You can look us up on the face pages.
Yeah, we're gonna do both of those links below. So check out the links below the video.
Here. Right there.
But we're all out of time for today because that was just a quick one.
I'm a busy guy, and they need me in rehearsal.
They do. Get out of here,
hit
Ted.
by angry birds.
Thanks, Follies fans.